Beaches. Who doesn't like beaches? Who doesn't like visiting them every now and then? There is nothing more calming than sitting on a beach, listening to the waves crashing, and having warm gusts of wind hit your face. But wait right there, this was just one side of beaches. There are beaches that can be fatal and dangerous. Today, we are going to talk about such beaches. This is going to be a 3-part series, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Hanakapiai Beach, Hawaii. Hanakapiai Beach is a popular tourist attraction in the Hawaiian Islands located on Kauai's Napali coast. This coast is a treasure of natural beauty. It is a paradise on earth, but don't buy into its amazing natural beauty as looks can be deceiving. If you're not sure of Kauai, this beach can disappear with high tides or big surf, and there is no easy safe path away from it. It is dangerous for people who love to swim as it has powerful rip currents and waves that are known to sweep people out of the sea. If a person gets caught into one of these currents, the closest shore would be about 9.6 kilometers away. The official number of deaths here due to drowning are about 30, but the unreported numbers are much higher, probably in the 80s. Gansbaai, South Africa. Gansbaai is a fishing town and popular tourist destination in Western Cape, South Africa. Gansbaai has been called the Great White Shark Capital of the world. Many of these dangerous predators are found lurking off the coast. This area is home to 60,000 fur seals that inhabit the narrow tunnel between Dyer Island and Geyser Rock known as Shark Alley. This attracts a significant number of great whites in the area. However, this place offers visitors to see the sharks up close by shark cage diving. Would you have the guts to encounter these deadly predators face to face? Fraser Island, Australia. Fraser Island is a World Heritage listed sand island along the southeastern coast of Queensland, Australia. Although this place is beautiful, danger dwells in its waters. Waters have strong rip currents, sharks, and jellyfish plaguing the area. This list is not over yet. The water also has saltwater crocodiles, deadly spiders, and even dingoes, a type of dog native to Australia that has been known to attack humans. Skeleton Coast, Namibia. The Skeleton Coast is a remote island in the northern part of the Atlantic coast of Namibia. You would find shipwrecks litter ranging from 16th century exploration ships to 21st century fishing vessels. This coast is extremely dangerous as it is plagued by shallow sandbars, which is a submerged or partly exposed ridge of sand or coast sediment. Fog and treacherous currents. Thousands of ships are known to have been wrecked here from the earliest period of the European exploration of the African coast. Amazon River beaches, South America. Amazon forest is famous around the world for its unique ecosystems. So are its rivers and so are its beaches. The waters of the Amazon are home to rich biodiversity of animal life. The Amazon waters are populated by 2,500 different species of fish which are still to be discovered. Shark-toothed, red-bellied piranhas, anacondas, and electric eels lurk in these waters. Réunion Island, France. La Réunion, officially Department of LA Réunion, is a small volcanic island in the Indian Ocean. Réunion is a haven for surfers. It has beautiful scenic views and its beaches are breathtaking and dangerous. The waters are infested with sharks. As of late 2018, there have been around 27 fatal accidents and 56 total attacks since 1913. Réunion has had so many shark attacks that in 2013 the government banned almost all swimming and surfing over here. There were 18 attacks between 2011 and 2015, 7 of which were fatal, while in May 2019, there was a tragic accident in which a surfer was killed after a shark tore off his legs. Darwin, Australia. Australia has some of the most amazing beaches that offer beautiful scenic landscapes. Darwin is the capital of Australia's Northern Territory and a former military base. It has some of the best sandy paradises in the world. The waters soon turn from paradise to hell between October and May. This is because there are chances that you may encounter box jellyfishes during these months. Box jellyfishes have tiny stingers loaded with poison which can cause paralysis, cardiac arrest, and even death, all within a few minutes of being stung. The waters are also plagued with sharks and crocodiles known to have attacked humans. New Smyrna Beach. New Smyrna Beach is located in Volusia County, northeastern Florida, US. This beach is dangerous for many reasons. Firstly, there are high chances of this beach being impacted by a hurricane. Secondly, the waters are infested with sharks. Florida has also been named the shark attack capital of the world. It also has dangerous rip currents. A rip current is a localized current that flows away from the shoreline towards the ocean. Due to the holes in the sandbars from the hurricane activity, there have been more rescues in 2023 and 2024 than in previous years. In April 2024, 43 people had to be rescued from the water due to rip currents. Kilauea Beach, Hawaii. Kilauea is an active shield volcano in the Hawaiian Islands. It is located along the southeastern shore of Hawaii Island. This beach located near an active volcano, which means there are high chances of volcanic eruptions and lava flows. This volcano has been erupting since 35 years. The lava from this eruption flows into the waters and can increase the temperature up to 100 degrees. Furthermore, this beach is the home of many sharks, particularly the great white shark. Plus, there have been 102 reported shark attacks since 1828. Then, Bikini Atoll, US Marshall Islands. This is a coral reef in the Marshall Islands consisting of 23 islands surrounding a 594.1 square kilometer central lagoon. This place has been a nuclear weapon testing site for the US Army from 1946 to 1958. It means that the waters are heavily contaminated with radiation. Large pieces of land remain radioactive and unsafe for habitation even decades after test sites were closed.